How to send money to people on Cash App. To send money to people on Cash App, start by opening up your Cash App. Right here on the main screen, just type in the amount you want to send. For this example, let's do $5. Once your amount is set, go ahead and tap that green Pay button down in the bottom right corner. Now, you need to tell the app who is getting the cash. In the To field at the top, you can type in their name, phone number, email, or their unique cash tag. I'm going to type in Alice. When your friend's profile pops up in the results list right below, just give it a quick tap to select them. If you want to remind them what the money's for, you can add a quick note right here in the For line. Let's type in lunch. Next, you want to double-check where the money's coming from. Tap on Cash Balance at the very top of your screen. This brings up a menu letting you choose your funding source. You can use your existing Cash App balance, a linked debit card, or a credit card. We're going to keep it simple and stick with Cash Balance for this one. Everything look correct? Perfect. All you have to do now is tap that green Pay button in the top right corner of the screen. And just like that, you're all done. The app will show you this confirmation screen letting you know the funds went through safely. Oh, and here's a quick pro tip. If you are standing right next to the person you want to pay, you don't even have to type in their name. Just go back to your main homepage and tap this little square QR scanner icon up in the top left corner. You can scan their phone screen instantly and it skips the typing entirely. That is all there is to it. If you also use Chime and want to move funds into your account next, tap right here to watch my guide on how to transfer funds from Chime to Cash App. Catch you there.